That's no moon.
Clear Bay 327. We are opening the magnetic field.
Hello there, and welcome to Docking Bay 327. Today, we're going to look at how to make a Star Wars glowing drink prop. A couple different versions, and most of the items that I use to make these are available around the house. So it's fairly easy to do. Let's get into it. We'll start with a clear plastic cup. Then we'll use these battery-powered LED lights for the glow effect. They come in different colors, and I'll put a link to them in the description below. We'll also need a hot glue gun. The lights come wrapped up, so we need to unravel them in order to get them in the cup. I use a piece of tape on the cup because I need to drill a hole in the bottom and I don't want to crack the plastic. Now we feed the string of lights through the hole. I use some hot glue on the hole so the battery pack doesn't pull the lights out by accident. Then I shove all the lights down in the cup and began squeezing hot glue all over the lights and the inside of the cup. This will secure the lights inside as well as give us a diffusing effect. I then add some more hot glue until it covers all the lights. Then I added some Elmer's glue on top of that just to give a bit more diffusion and finish off the look. I use my heat gun to help speed up the initial curing. And there you go, a quick and easy way to create a glowing Star Wars drink prop. If you watched my Han Solo and Carbonite video all the way to the end, you saw this prop being used in the post-credits scene. If you haven't watched that, I suggest you do. It's pretty funny, but that's what inspired me to make it. This prop was put together pretty quickly, but it looks cool. I was showing it to some of my friends, and one of them asked me if I could put an actual drink in it. Now, this version was never intended to hold any actual liquid, but it got me thinking and inspired this next version. This version still only requires minimal material and time as well. We will use a small LED puck light, a Simply Juice lid, a glass of water, and the hot glue gun. First, I'll use this metallic spray paint to coat the green lid. Oh, and this attachment is a lifesaver if you use spray paint very often. Then, give the lid a good coat and let it dry. Next, I need to drill a hole in the lid for the puck light to shine through. This one actually fits perfectly in the inner ridge of the lid. I love it when that happens. I used my large step bit to make sure I didn't drill too large of a hole. I just need it big enough so the LEDs shine through. I then apply some hot glue to the inner ridge to hold the puck light in place. I flip the lid over and do a quick test to make sure it lights up the glass the way I expect. And it does. The great thing about this puck light is the remote allows me to change the color to many different options. I'll leave a link in the description below for these as well. Finally, I apply hot glue to the top of the lid and secure the glass on top. I'm using hot glue so it will hold securely, but will also come off fairly easy if needed. You know, in case my wife realizes I used our nice kitchen glassware for a Star Wars prop. Shh, don't tell her, okay? You know, you could actually use this for a nice way to display your drinks at your next party for your friends. Maybe serve up a little spotchka, huh? And with the holidays coming up, hopefully you'll get a chance to spend some time with your family and friends, and you can enjoy a little Star Wars geekness together. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And until next time, build with what you know and figure out the rest. Cheers. This is the way. Oh, man. This is not easy. I don't know how he does it.